Okay, so welcome all to Financial Freedom. So excited to see you all today in the webinar. So before we begin, I would like to ask you, how many of you are here to learn and earn money? Type yes in your chat. Type yes if you are here to learn and earn money. Yes. Okay. Great to see so many people. So I'm addressing the right crowd, right people here. Okay. How many of you are here to learn? Okay. ठीक है. देखते हैं क्या है stock market. What is stock market about? We will understand and then we'll see whether we have to earn the money or not. If you are here to learn first and then you have to decide whether you will earn money or not, type yes. You can type yes in the chat box. Okay, great. And all those who are here who have joined, किसी ने लिंक भेजा, ठीक है यार, अटेंड करते हैं, देखते हैं व्हाट्स इट्स ऑल अबाउट and let's attend the webinar. Okay, I think my background is confusing. Okay, sorry for the moment. Okay, those who attended कि ठीक है, किसी ने लिंक भेज दिया, I thought ठीक है, let me see if uh, what it is all about. I'll just log in, type yes. Just like that, you join. Neither you are interested in stock market, neither earning from stock market, but ठीक है, webinar था, time था, आज attend कर लिया. So yes, okay, great. And all those people who have decided that okay, whatever I ask you question, you will not type yes. Whatever I say, okay, whatever I do, नहीं, मैं तो कुछ भी type नहीं करूंगा और करूंगी. So please type yes. So at least I'll know कि कौन है जो type नहीं करेगा. Okay, great. Great to see you all. Welcome to Financial Freedom. My name is Samir Bapat, and today we are going to learn how to identify great growth stocks. So we'll find great growth stocks today. We'll be doing fundamental analysis. So it is called fundamental analysis. Simple ये है कि we have to find what are the great fundamentally great and good stocks where we can invest. In short, people call it fundamental analysis. Then we will learn when to buy and when to sell those stocks. People call it technical analysis. So we'll be learning technical analysis also today, and how to earn money consistently. So over the entire webinar, I'll be giving you bites on the psychology of investing and trading. So it's not something different module, it's a bits and bytes in between which will come, which are very important for the psychology of investing and trading. Fundamental analysis, it's all about the art, key numbers and the art that will go through. Technical analysis is about charts. Don't worry if you don't understand chart kya hai yaar, what is this chart, don't worry, I'm just listing the topics, we'll go through them in detail. Simple moving averages to be starting with, using of moving averages, a simple system I'll share with you, yet a powerful system I'll share with you today to earn in the growth stocks consistently. Tools and platforms required, I'll be giving complete guidance. At the end of the webinar, I'll be sharing with you the list of 40 topics. Today we have 4 hours webinar. Post this 4 hours webinar, we have 40 hours of live trading, which is absolutely free for each one of you. So I'll be sharing you the list of topics which I'll be covering over the subsequent weeks on the Tuesday and Thursday webinar. So that I'll be sharing with you at the end of the webinar today. Now, okay, so 40 topics I told. Advanced program, this is one of my paid programs. We'll discuss about this sometime later. So going forward, we have some ground rules for webinar. Rule number 1, respect all participants. Don't start fighting on the chat. नहीं, तुमने ऐसा कैसे कह दिया और मैंने ऐसा कैसे कह दिया. Don't look at the chat if it is distracting you. Respect every participant. Don't fight on the chat. Keep positive attitude. Open mind to learn what is being shared. Very very important. Don't worry कि यार मुझे समझ में आएगा क्या, will I be able to understand this, I am a beginner. Okay, how many of you are beginner? If you are a beginner, type B. Absolute beginner, type B. Great. So don't worry, मेरे को समझ में आएगा क्या, I will be able to follow or not, what will happen, will I be able to use it to earn money? Definitely, you will keep a positive attitude, you will have great energy till end. Then few people have like habit of typing a lot of questions. They'll keep on copy pasting their questions till I answer. Don't do that. I'm seeing the questions. I know I have gone through the grind for last 20 years in stock market, so I know what questions will come. I have scheduled them in my webinar, so I'll be answering them. Have a question, type it. I know if I'm not able to answer, I'll be able to answer it later. Last and not but the least, there are, remember, this is very very important, okay? There are 1000 ways of earning money in stock market. Experience or knowledge, what I'm sharing today is my experience. I am sharing with you how I earn money. I am not saying this is the only system to earn money. This is one of the 1000 systems to earn money. Whatever I am sharing today is my knowledge. Understand it, grasp it. If you like it, use it and earn money. Do we all agree with these ground rules? If we agree with these ground rules, can everyone type yes? And this is a disclaimer, I am not sharing any tips or anything, I'm sharing the knowledge, okay? So if you agree, just type yes. If you agree to the terms and conditions of this webinar, type yes. Okay, great. So this is my tagline: enabling people, enriching life. That is my motto, that is my vision. uh, the motto is gain knowledge. I'm sharing knowledge. You have to take action subsequent to your once you learn by attending the webinar, and then earn money. So it's a 3-step process, and live abundant life. Before we move forward, many of you would be attending my webinar for the first time. It must be your first time attending any of my webinars. So is it okay if I share with you about myself, who I am and why I am doing this webinar? What is my experience? Do I have permission? If I have your permission, please type yes. Yes. Okay, great. Thank you. What I'll do is I'll take you through my experience, through my journey of stock market, and you'll understand. I have also gone through all the ups and downs in stock market. So before I take you through my journey of stock market, this is my professional career. So did my engineering in 1995. I graduated from Indore as an engineer, joined Siemens, then worked in telecom for 20 years till 2017. Worked in Siemens, worked in Huawei. Retired as a general manager in 2017 from Huawei. I said, बहुत हो गया अभी किसी का नौकरी करना, let's take retirement, let's work for ourselves. किसके भरोसे? Stock market के भरोसे. So I took retirement purely on my knowledge and my experience and my confidence that I will be able to earn in stock market for my own living and for my family. I retired in 2017. 1995 to 2017, when I was in telecom, I was in Siemens and Huawei. I did lots of international projects. I am PMP certified, IITL certified, blah 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 blah. बहुत सारा certification किया और बहुत सारा project भी किया. But what gave me confidence to retire is from the professional life, from the 9 to whatever grind is stock market. How many of you are thinking here to retire? Like, if not retire, at least your salary you are looking at to making it equal to, like, earning from other sources equal to stock market. Even if you enjoy your job, I'm not saying okay, chhod do naukri, chhod do. Nahi nahi. You enjoy your job, but how many of you are looking forward to make stock market as a primary source or a secondary source? Yes. Okay, great. So someone typed I, me, and myself. Yes, it is absolutely right. Stock market is I, me, and myself. So I would start like to start introduction of my gurus in stock market and in my life. So first of all, my program and my all whatever I am today, I dedicate to my gurus, Parth Sarthi, Sri Rajgopalachari ji, and Kamlesh Patel. They are my spiritual guru. They are my materialistic guru. Whatever I am today and whatever I'll be in future, I'll be because of them. So I oh, everything of mine is dedicated to them. For stocks market, my first, you can see the screen, right? Everyone can see the screen, my PPT. Yes, okay. Okay, so my first introduction to stock market, my first guru in stock market was Gagan Goyal. He was with me in engineering in 1991-92. He used to, our college was near the stock market, Indore. There used to be, every city used to have a stock market. Every good city used to have stock market in those days. So our college was very nearby Indore stock market. Whenever we'll passing, he'll take some, buy some forms, fill some forms, 10 15 forms, go to bank. So since we used to tag along, I used to go along with him, form bharke. I asked him, what do you do yaar? Every time you take a form and all, go to bank, fill up the checks. That those days we have to apply IPO on a manual form. So he told me, nahi, aisa share market hota hai and you have to apply and all. I said, why don't you teach me? He started teaching me, and then this scam happened. How many of you have seen that series, web series, Scam 92, 1992 or something like that? Anyone saw? Yes. Okay, so that happened. And by the time I went to bank, I deposited money, and of course my father gave me money. I didn't had money, so my father said, okay, I don't know about stock market, you go, you take this money and learn about stock market. I went and deposited. वो पूरा stock market का crash हो गया. Bank refused to issue checkbook, and that was the end of the my stock market in 1991. Then I read this book in 2002. There's a gap of 10 years. Now, here is one thing, psychological input I'm giving. How many of you are youngsters here? Anyone who is below 25 or so? Or even 30 or so? Yes? Great. Remember this thing. I did not do anything from 1992 to 2002, 10 golden years lost. I did not work into stock market. I really look back in rear view mirror and think if I would have done, learned and pursued it through a financial situation or better hota. Having said that, 2002, I read the Rich Dad Poor Dad. Those who want some recommendation of book, they can note down the name of this book, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki. It changed my mindset. I started working on stock market. I was looking for someone to teach me in stock market. Those days, people were online to tha hi nahi, Google to kuch tha nahi, to like it was there, but it was upcoming and not in so easily available and freely available. So I met Dr. Musa. I thank him for teaching a lot of systems to me. And most of the 40 topics, what I am going to teach, many of the topics today and subsequently, the 40 topics, what I'm going to share with you, was taught to me by Dr. Musa in 2006 or 2005 or 6. I don't remember the year exactly. I used to go to his place. He used to conduct classes. उनके घर में बैठते थे weekend पे, and I used to learn there. Now it's available on webinar, no boundaries of city or anything. So subsequently, I learned lots of systems. I attended a lot of webinars also to learn and improve my skills. The major skills which I use as of today for earning money consistently, I learned from Courtney Smith sometime in 2011, and from Manish Patel, Ichimoku system I learned sometime in 2017. I learned from Manish Patel. So combination of what I learned from Courtney Smith and from Manish Patel, I use consistently to earn money. Of course, Dr. Musa's whatever he taught me is the foundation, solid foundation he laid. Whatever I learned subsequently, I could add into mine. I spent lots of money. Let me tell you, in learning, I'll not tell the figure right now. Did I earn? Yes, because I can say proudly I was able to get the confidence and the money. Confidence तो ठीक है, but money भी कमाया to retire in 2017. So leave the job, professional job at the peak. I thought ठीक है, अपना काम चालू करेंगे. And of course, NSC, BSc were my gurus, guru in teaching in a hard way. And these two books are my inspiration: Intelligent Investor from Benjamin Graham and Peter Lynch. So these three books are must-read books if you want to. Now, apart from this, there is something called Psychology of Investing Trading. So I attended programs by T. Harvekar. So this is T. Harvekar. So you need like दिल को और दिमाग को संभाल के रखने के लिए हमें जरूरत होती है साइकोलॉजी की, राइट साइकोलॉजी वी नीड. सो T. Harvekar, Blair Singer, and D. Martini. I attended their programs, very useful in managing myself. It improves the skill for the stock market as well. So this is my journey of stock market. I am here in stock market since 2004. Seriously, I have seen the market crashes of 2008, and there was a sideways movement for almost 2 to 3 years. I have seen a crash, two crash, 2008, 2020. To start with, sideways movement for 2 to 3 years. If the market moves for sideways, it moves for 2 to 3 years consistently. It tests your patience. So I have gone through those patience. I've seen the bull run also before 2008, 2007, 8. I saw the bull run. In 14 to 18, 19, I saw the bull run. 20, it was crash. 20 to 21, I have seen. So I have seen many bull runs. I have seen many crashes. Seen, मतलब काफी बारिशें गुजर चुकी हैं इस स्टॉक मार्केट में, एक्सपीरियंस लेते लेते कह सकते हैं. So almost 2004 till 2022, I am in stock market. So this is my journey in stock market. Now, what is my mission 10 million? You must be seeing that WhatsApp के नीचे mission 10 million, mission 10 million. So you must be wondering, इसको पैसा कमाने का होगा 10 million? नहीं, that is not that is not my mission to earn 10 million from the groups. My mission is, see, I lost the opportunity for 10 years. I started again in 2004, but in 2008, in telecom, 2007, 2008, people were being fired left, right, and center. Very bad days. Like people were just fired, simply, you are fired, finish. And people were afraid to, not only afraid, they were afraid for the family, right? They were afraid how they will earn for the family. They were not getting jobs. They were being fired with this situation and all. In 2008, at the age of, I think 38, I decided, no, first I have to earn for myself, become self-dependent, and then teach others also about stock market, so that they can gain confidence, gain experience, and become ready. आगे जाके, if anyone faces such problem, they'll be ready at least with the alternate source of income. My mission 10 million is, whatever I'm conducting today and 40 hours of free training, what I'll be conducting subsequently, I have conducted it for 10 million. I have conducted for at least 4,000 people as of today. Till today, at least 4,000 people have attended my program, and I have to conduct this program for 10 million people going forward. So that is my mission, 10 million. So far, so good. So this is disclaimer. This is my experience and all. Whatever I teach, you understand, you learn, and then earn from it. Okay. So let's go ahead. Now, let me know what, as per you, in short, in one sentence, what is financial freedom as per you? Type your answer. Okay, hello. Hello, am I audible? Okay, so type in chat box what is financial freedom as per you. What do you think is actual financial freedom? Need not be dependent on external, self-reliant, ability to manage money efficiently, as better life for my family, definitely not dependent on job for earning, no stress when buying anything, yes, free for spending money. Correct, very good. Everything. So great, great. So free for spending money, not asking anyone for hotel, cinema. Yes, definitely. That is a financial freedom. So able to earn money. Can I say that all my, if I am able to earn money on my own without depending on anyone for all my needs and wants, then I am financially free. किसी के firing करने का खतरा नहीं. You are fired tomorrow. No one is there to tell me. If I work hard, money comes to me. No one tells me at the end of the year, no, 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 Samir, your performance was good. You worked really hard. We appreciate your hard work, and you are in the that bell curve. You are on the top. But this year the company did not perform, so you are not getting increment. Or they will say, no, 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 you were okay. You were somewhere in down the line bell curve, and थोड़ा सा अभी तुमको इंक्रीमेंट नहीं मिलेगा. And after the 1 year working hard, if you want in your life that you are working hard and you get money after working hard, whatever you have worked hard, your wants and needs are catered to by a source of income which only depends on you. That is a financial freedom as per me. Okay, so how many of you know how to ride bicycle? How many of you know how to ride bicycle? Just type yes. Yes, 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 yes. Great. How many of you remember? Just go back memory lane. Go back, go back, go back. Just go back in the memory lane. How many of you were committed to learning bicycle? नहीं कुछ भी हो जाए, whether we fall down, कुछ भी, whether we have bruises here, there, mother is giving one slap, what you are doing, full clothes are dirty, still you had a commitment. You took knowledge from your friends. यार कैसे चलाने का है, क्या चलाने का है, will you hold the bicycle from behind? I want to learn the bicycle. In my childhood we used to get the bicycle on rent. So we used to bring, collect money and will bring for 2 hours, and everyone will learn on that bicycle. Do you agree with this point that you had a commitment, you took knowledge, you took training and action, learn from initial failures, you fell down, improved skills, and then results were good, you are able to learn bicycle? Is that the process of learning bicycle as simple as bicycle? Yes. In the entire thing you had the full excitement in your heart, like your heart was like full of energy. Nahi, main seek ke rahenge is bicycle ko. Right now, even if you see in professions, when we, for any profession, I was an engineer, someone becomes a doctor, lawyer, pilot, bcom, mcom, arts, anything, they go through the training for 4 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, as per their interest. Then they go and practice that learning, then earn money consistently. How many of you agree that? Yes. Now tell me, when it comes to stock market, where all this commitment, knowledge, training, action, dedication, constant improvements and freedom goes, स्टॉक मार्केट का आते से ही बॉस मेरे को तो डबल चाहिए पैसा. आज मैं स्टॉक मार्केट में आया, कल डीमैट अकाउंट खोला, परसों मेरे को डबल चाहिए पैसा. आई वांट द मनी टू बी डबल्ड. How many of you agree that majority of people come in stock market without like commitment? They don't focus on knowledge training. थोड़ा action लो, थोड़ा लगेगा, learn from your actions, थोड़ा सीखो, फिर बढ़ो, फिर पैसा बढ़ाओ. नहीं, आज मैं स्टॉक मार्केट में आया हूं, बस कल मेरे को डबल चाहिए पैसा, मेरे को जस्ट टिप्स दे दो बॉस. How many of you agree that majority of people around, but टिप दे दो, मैं तो क्रिप्टो में करूंगा, आई विल बाय दिस क्रिप्टो, कल इलॉन मस्क ने बोला है कुछ, परसों मेरा स्टॉक बढ़ेगा, आई विल अर्न. And that is what people are doing, like rash driving. How many of you agree that mostly this is happening? People, majority people will not come, no fault of theirs, but definitely that is the approach. How many of you agree? Yeah. So do we agree in principle that we know, right? We know we need to have commitment, knowledge, training, action, dedication, and constant improvements to learn from stock market. So and less patience. So let's agree that okay, we are starting to learn, and we are here to learn, and we are here to spend 4 hours. Now, what I want you all to do is take your hand like this. Take your like palm, keep your palm like this. Okay, keep your palm like this, take your hand up like this, and bend and pat yourself and say, very good, you are an excellent person, you chose to join this program to learn and then earn with a informed decision. So just congratulate yourself and pat your back. Well done for joining this program. Okay, do it now. Okay, so let's go ahead. Growing tree of money. We need to gain knowledge, take action, initial failure, blah, blah, blah. And we have to. So, this is very, very important. 5 things you should learn to earn consistently in stock market. Just keep focus. These are the 5 topics which will be covering a lot of these topics today and subsequent days. 5 things you need to learn: fundamental analysis, how to find a good stock; technical analysis, how when to buy, how to buy; risk management, how much money to put, right, how much you are ready to lose, that aspect of risk management; money management; psychology of trading and investing. One more point is there which I have not mentioned is planning your finances. Planning your finances when what is required. One disclaimer: don't attend this program and go and buy unit linked insurance plans. Okay, unit linked insurance plans are not your retirement plans, whatever they may be doing marketing. But you please make sure, if you are in stock market, don't, like they say, don't drink and drive, right? So don't mix insurance plans with the investment plans. Fine. I'm not against insurances, but proper use of insurance has to be done, not like a investment or something. Insurance is for insurance. Now, so this is what we agree. So now I want you to recollect how we were thinking when you were learning bicycle. Bring that energy in your heart. Bring all that excitement in your heart for going further. Fine. So let's go ahead. This is a disclaimer again. This is my experience. So don't just say, okay, वो बताया हम कर रहे हैं. नहीं. You are learning and you have to earn for yourself. So fundamental analysis. Let's begin with fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is numbers and arts. Okay, just hold on at this moment. Okay, numbers and arts. Uh, yeah, sorry. So, and numbers uh, are this product of the company: sales, profit growth, operation, expenditure, loan, interest, profit after tax, ROE, EPS for past 5 years, etc., etc. Competitors. Art is valuation, value addition to customer, core strength of the company, management quality, endurance, finding hidden value in the numbers, finding likely legal troubles in future, finding value versus current price, finding opportunities due to someone else's bad performance. Analyze business like you are doing. I'm just going fast. Okay, don't worry यार, ये एकदम से जब सिखाने की बारी आई तो ये तो बिल्कुल रफ्तार पकड़ लिया. नहीं, don't worry, I'm going little fast because I'll come to that topics once again. So now, fundamental analysis is you have to remember. Okay, why I am saying so is, how many of you do business here? You have a business, like you have a shop where you go, or you have your own father is doing some business where you are involved into. Can I have yes from all those who are having a business, or they are their family has a business and most likely they'll be joining that business? Okay, how many of you don't have business? Don't have business, they are working, they are employed, or they are homemakers, or their father's parents and sisters never had a business, so they are not linked with the business family, employed. Fantastic. Now, I am also coming from a salaried family, only middle class family. My father used to work in Kirloskar. My grandfather also used to work. My great grandfather, he also used to work. So we are from a I am also from salaried family, we can say. Second thing is, I will take pride in saying I am coming from a middle class family. But one thing, all of you who are in salaried family, please don't take me wrong. Okay, please don't take me wrong. Can I have yes from all of you? अभी पहले से yes क्यों? क्योंकि whatever I am going to tell you, it applied to me also. It took me long time to come out before earning money in stock market, and this is very very important, even important than analyzing a better company. Very very important what I am going to say, but I am going to say very bad words for the middle class family. So just don't. I am asking for pardon in the beginning itself. First of all, from childhood, we see in middle class people or service class, we always have this tendency of cursing the business people. All we are hearing, at least I used to hear around us, नहीं नहीं ये पैसा कमाया है तो बदमाशी किया ही होगा. So this is by default. This person is doing business. ये कुछ गोरख धंधा करता ही होगा. He must be doing something mischief, or anyone who is doing business must be doing some hanky panky, so he is a bad person. So we are like sort of brainwashed from the childhood कि नहीं, business is bad. Whenever we see a rich fellow, first thing comes mind, साला ये बहुत पैसे वाला है, बिगड़ा बिगड़ा हुआ आदमी है, ये he is doing all bad things to earn money. This is how we hear. Even unfortunately, many of our leaders also say this thing, and which is wrong thing. Like one thing we can hear, like "Soot boot ki sarkar" and all we hear. I'm not going into pros and cons of that, but that creates a psyche where we are against the business people, right? Business people are there. If at all you are going into stock market, I we can have different political ideologies, but if you are going into stock market, first thing you have to remember. Okay, before I go to that, how many of you have really heard from their childhood कि यार ये पैसा कमाया तो ये बदमाशी किया होगा? Whenever you see a super duper rich fellow, you will see अच्छा बिगड़ेल बाप की बिगड़ेल औलाद. Yes, can I have honest yes? If deep down, whenever you see a rich fellow, you think बस बदमाशी किया होगा ये. So now from today onwards, don't do that. Okay. If at all you want to earn in stock market, if at all you have to earn in stock market big, and and believe me, this is the first bottleneck why people don't earn in stock market, because they will have all excuses. This is a zero sum game. One person's loss is another person's profit. All that stupid things you will go around. No, 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 no. If I am earning money, someone else is losing money. So then a morality comes in. कि नहीं नहीं, am I doing the right thing? All is, I'll not say the word, but all is that only. Okay, if at all, this is the time right now. If you are thinking of earning money in stock market, this is the time to choose. If you agree with me that if you have to earn money, you don't have to become a bad person, you don't have to cheat anyone. If you really believe to me that if you have to earn money, you don't have to cheat people and earn money, you can work hard and earn money. Businessmen or rich people also work very very hard and earn money. If you don't, even if you don't believe but agree somehow with me, then only proceed with this program. Otherwise you will not be able to earn money in stock market. You have to believe rich people are, many many rich people are hardworking. Many many people many rich people create value for their customers. They are good people, right? So you have to think that. Okay, so now when you are doing fundamental analysis, इतना भाषण क्यों दिया भाई, इतना भाषण क्यों दे दिया रिच पीपल पे और मिडिल क्लास पे? क्योंकि when you are going, why I told all this bhashan and rashan, because if you are going and analyzing a company, you have to think as if you are buying the entire company. Bhale hi if you, even if you are buying one single share, even if you are buying one single share, but you have to analyze as if you are buying the entire company. So you will have to think like a businessman. बिजनेस ओनर, इफ यू आर अ बिजनेस ओनर, यू हैव टू पूरा पैसे को निचोड़ने का है, राइट? यू हैव टू स्ट्राइव टू गेट मैक्सिमम रिटर्न्स विथ मिनिमम रिसोर्सेस. आई विल पुट 1 lakh rupees, but I want from my business maximum returns of that 1 lakh rupees. That should be the mindset of businessman, right? So that is the uh, attitude of a businessman. So you have to select a company whose owner is having that attitude of go getter. He has to have that attitude ki boss business karna hai, minimum of my resources, maximum of my output. That business, if we invest money into, definitely it will grow in value and our share price will go up. Nahi to pura jua hai. When you buy a share of a company, you become partner in that company, so you have to analyze that company. Kaise analysis karna, I will tell you. Just give me some time, I will be sharing with you how to do, how to find such businesses. Okay, don't worry, abhi ye bhashan de diya, abhi batayega. Yes, just have patience. Okay, and at least it has to be generating 5 years. How many of you agree with basic principles whatever I have said so far? If yes, okay, I will take a pause. I'll take a recap. What I want you to do is open your notebook and write down whatever you have understood. 2, 3 points, 4 points, key points, whatever you have understood, just write it down or at least make a mental note of it. Take a sip of water. I also drink water. So take a sip, that whatever knowledge you have gained, it will be digested. Okay. So